A is for airport. B is for bakery. C is for cinema. D is for dentist. E is for elevator. F is for fire station. G is for garden. H is for hospital. I is for ice cream shop. J is for juice shop. K is for kitchen. L is for library. M is for market. N is for nursery. O is for office. P is for play zone. Q is for quilt shop. R is for restaurant. S is for school. T is for toy shop. U is for university. V is for vegetable shop. W is for water park. X is for X-ray room. Y is for yoga center. Z is for zoo.